ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਜੀ. So my question to you is, where is the home of the divine? ਰੱਬ ਜੀ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ? Anyone knows? Where is the home of the divine? ਇਹ ਰੱਬ ਜੀ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਯਾਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ? ਹਾਂਜੀ. Anybody wants to say anything before we even go into it? Where? Hanji. Sorry? In you. Okay, around you. Okay, around you. Any different answers? Any more? Hanji. Yeah. Everywhere. Okay. Does that mean God is here? Rabji is here. So when you will leave the Gurdwara Sahib, will Rabji, will divine be there as well? Okay, so let's look into it, right? So again, this is a massive topic, but we'll just try to touch the surface if we may, looking from the Gurbani aspect completely. So Maharaj say, "E jag sache ki hai kothri, sache ka vich vas." So our Guru is Dhan Dhan Sahib Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. So all the advice, the guidance that we can live by comes from Gurbani. So they will be the backup from the Gurbani, so whenever we talk. So keep that in mind. So what is Maharaj saying? This whole world is the room for the divine. Sari dunya jehdi hegi hai. And this is where divinity lives. So this is Duje Pasha Ji, Guru Angad Dev Ji is saying this, right? You already sang a Mool Mantra and you said Ek Onkar. So I'm going to later on ask from you, what do you mean by that? You were singing it, right? What do you mean by that? So definitely pay attention. It will help. So Tije Pasha says, "E vis sansar tum dekhde, e har ka roop hai, har roop nadri aaya." ये ਆਪਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਰੋਜ਼ ਆਨੰਦ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. ਇਹ ਵਿਸ ਸੰਸਾਰ ਤੁਮ ਦੇਖਦੇ. The translation is probably there. Yeah, maybe make it a little bit bigger so that everybody can read that. This whole world that you see is the image of Rabji, is the image of God. Only the image of God is seen. There is nothing else basically. There is Vaheguru Ji in all of you, in every one of us. Then Chauthe Pasha Guru Ramdas Ji says, "Tu kat kat antar, sarab nirantar, ji tu eko purkh samana." So can you see how it's going? Tu kat kat antar. You are in everyone. Tu kat kat antar. You are constant in each and every heart. There is no condition here. In each and every heart, and in all things. ਅੱਗੇ ਪੰਜਵੇਂ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਆ ਗਏ. ਧੰਨ ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਅਰਜਨ ਦੇਵ ਸੱਚੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ says, "ਜੈ ਜੈ ਪੇਖੋ ਤੈ ਹਜ਼ੂਰ, ਦੂਰ ਕਤੋ ਨਾ ਜਾਏ." Wherever I look, that's where you are. And Vaheguru Ji is never far away. So I just want to ask you a question. Wherever we look, do we see Vaheguru Ji? You are very honest. I wish we can be that honest. Wherever we see, wherever we look. So for example, So wherever you see, are you able to see Vaheguru Ji in your parents, for example? Are you able to see Vaheguru Ji in your siblings, in your brother and sister, in your teachers, maybe in your friends? Especially if even if you don't like them, and applies to adults equally as well. So ये पंजवे पातशाह कहते हैं. Then we go on, and as Bani goes, नौवें पातशाह says, "काहे रे बन खोजन जाई, सरब निवासी सदा अलेपा, तो ही संग समाई." Why do you go on looking for that divinity in the forest, in the jungles? Why you run away from where you are? Rabji is right here, where you are. We don't need to run to anything else to find that. We just need a vision, we just need to see that. So I'm just going to tell you a little story as well. When I asked you this question that where is the home of the divine? So So there used to be a very rich man, and he used to have lots of servants, people who make food for him, clean for him, and stuff like that. A very old couple comes and knock on his mansion. Tuk tuk, can I come in? And he asks, why, what do you want? And this old couple says, we need some food. We are very, very hungry. And this man says to his own servants, oh, bring some food and give it to them. But guess what? This couple says, we don't want it for free. We want to work towards it. We live by ethical means. We want to work hard, earn the food, and then eat it. And then he said, what can I do for you then? And then they say, can you give us some work? We heard you're a very rich person. You have a big house, big mansion. We can do some work for you. And then we don't want any pay. We don't want any money in return. Just give us some food. And then this guy said, it's a good deal. I can do that. Yeah. So he says, live here, stay with us, and we'll give you food and accommodation. But what happens? He asks them to do a lot of work. So lot of work. And sometimes when they don't achieve enough, people speak badly to them. It's not nice, isn't it, when we speak badly to people, especially old people, and no respect for them. So if they get to do less, then very rudely spoken to them. But they keep going. So it's been 6 months because they needed accommodation and they needed food as well. But there was a secret reason for them to do that as well. So there comes a day and the whole mansion is heavily decorated. What do you do when you have birthdays as well? You put some things on the walls. Yeah, you create some decorations. So this old couple goes to this person and says, lots of decorations, lots of food today, what's happening today? And this person says, it's my birthday. It's my birthday today. There's lots of food, lots of decorations today. But I'm very sad. And then this couple asks, why are you sad? You must be happy today. There's lots of people coming, lots of things for you, food, everything you have. What's the sadness? And then he says, I miss my parents. I lost my parents quite a few years ago. There used to be a very, very rich king in our area, and he killed them. And I haven't seen them. I don't even remember how they look like. It's been so old. If they were alive today, then they would have given me so many blessings. And this old BBG, the couples, the old BBG, she says she asks a few questions from this person. She says, was this the name of your mom? Was this the name of your cousin? Was this the name of your chachiji, taiji, and that kind of stuff? And he says, yes, yes, yes. And then he says, how do you know? How do you know all about that? And then she says, I'm your mom. And he's your dad. And then he just fell on the ground because he has been very rude to them. Why everything changes in a second? Why do you think everything changes? So from the point where he was even ready to beat them up if they were not giving enough work, not giving them a nice accommodation like beds and places to sleep, not giving them nice food, just work, work, work. And now all of a sudden, he wants to embrace them, love them, give them nice food, give them nice clothes. What changed? What changed? So this is a question for all of us. What changed? Is that because you are my parents? Before they were somebody else's parents. So Guru Nanak Dev Ji gave us the concept of Ik, one. Ik, Oang, कार. Until we arrive to the state where we can see that one in all, we are not living by the concept of ek oankar. So the day he changed the way he looked at them, his life changed. What he was trying to look for from everywhere, for years he was searching for his parents, and he couldn't find them. Yeah. So the day he found them from within, they were there all the time, but can't see them. So Parmeshwar Ji, Prabhu Ji, Rab Ji is with us all the time. We just need to have that awareness that what are we searching for? But there are ways to see that. And this is where the whole concept of Ek Oankar, that there is no other. It's not that I love my own kids, but I'll do everything to harm others. I love my own family, but then if it comes to others, then I'm not prepared to help. So things like that. So thinking about that, are we living by the concept of Ek Oankar? Is there oneness in my heart? And Maharaj even made that number one. It's not even O-N-E, right? Why? Because we are very clever people. We change the meanings. When it's written in alphabetical terms, we'll say O means this, N means this. We'll change it the way we want to interpret it. One is unchangeable. You can't change it. But it's not only by the concept. We talk a lot about ek Rab hega, sare de bache hega. But how much we practically put that in our life matters. So again, going back to that original thing that I was sharing, are we able to see that one Jyot in the family that we live in? That's probably the most difficult one. It's easy when we come to the Gurdwara Sahib and we'll say Sangat Sari, which Sangat Har Prabhu Vasya Jiyo. Because in the Sangat, Parmeshwar Ji lives, and yeah, we'll try to see that one Jyot in each one of us, in each other. But as soon as we leave the Gurdwara Sahib, does that one stays here or come with us? ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਛੱਡ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇੱਕ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਨਾਲ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ So first thing, when we go home today, we are going to take this Ek Oankar with us. But that will mean you might need to do some work today. It's not just another trip. You come to the Gurdwara, you had a great divan, you had a yummy prashada, and job done. And then wait for another monthly divan. How about the whole of the month, there is a work that needs to be done, and we work on it. Asi kaam kariye pura mahina ho dete. Okay, this month, when we go home, or this week, whatever challenge you want to adopt, I am going to try to see that one, that ek Jyot, jehdi Rab Ji di hegi hai, in everyone around me. Whether you are at work, your college, university, wherever. Might feel hard, but that's how Sikhi is. You work on it and then you progress. Holi by working on it. So if you go to optician, there are common things that's written outside. Koi the optician better? Anybody who checked that? Also there are opticians, yeah. So I have to be careful now what I say, but I'll try. So the likhya hunda that if you see doubles, if you see twos, then get your eyes checked immediately. There might be something. So am I right? Thank you. So check करा लो अखां जो तुहानू दो दिखदे आ एक दी बजाय, है ना? और notice दिता हुंदा, because there must be something wrong with your eyes. So Guru ने भी सानू notice दिता होया. So there's a notice that Guru Maharaj has given us. तिन्ना नदरी इक्को आया सम आत्म राम पछान. की मतलब कि जेड़े वाकई मानते हैं रब जी, those who truly experience that oneness, they see that one Lord in all, एक रब सारियां दे विच, and they experience it. It's not about the matter of saying it. We need to take that duality out from us, जेड़ा दूजा भाव आपां कहदे ने ना, and get our eyes checked, get our basically our vision checked. ये सिर्फ बाहर वाली अखां दी गल नहीं हो रही. It's what we believe in, what our truth is. ਸੋ ਇੱਥੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਆਪਟੀਸ਼ੀਅਨ ਬੈਠੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰਾਓ, ਅੱਖਾਂ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰਾਓ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੂਜਾ ਭਾਵ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਨਾ, ਆਈ ਲਾਈਕ ਯੂ ਬਟ ਆਈ ਡੋਂਟ ਲਾਈਕ ਯੂ, ਆਈ ਕੈਨ ਬੀ ਯੋਰ ਫਰੈਂਡ ਬਟ ਯੂ ਆਰ ਮਾਈ ਐਨਮੀ, ਯੂ ਨੋ, ਆਈ ਕਾਂਟ ਇਨਵੋਲਵ ਯੂ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਮਾਈਨ। ਇਹ ਦੂਜਾ ਭਾਵ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਇਹ ਡੁਐਲਿਟੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ। ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਜੀ pulled us out from the duality. There is no other. If that is happening, so our optician is our guru. फिर सानू गुरु को जाना ही पड़ेगा to get ourselves checked. And again, and again. It might take whole life, it might be an instant thing. But there is no such thing as के ਇਹਦੇ ਤੇ बहुत ਕਿਰਪਾ ਤੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇ नहीं हैगी. It's a matter of keep going and keep getting yourselves checked on that parameter and how we are. So remember that optician analogy and how that works for you. So the day and how you can measure it. So if somebody says to you, or you want to ask yourself, okay, you know what, I've been working on it for a month now, मैनू महीना हो गया इहदे ते काम करदे हुण इस एक ओंकार दे concept ते, how are you going to measure yourself? Is there any way? Is there any kind of thermometer or parameters to measure yourself? What comes to your mind? Is there any way to measure, or it's just a theory? Gurbani is not theoretical, by the way. Gurbani is not theoretical at all. Maharaj actually gave us, the whole Gurbani is experiential. You experience it. So ek cheez ko experience karna hai. So how will you measure it? So when you come back again in Sangat, and hopefully you sit down with other Gursikhs and do vichar, jidda Maharaj ne sanu encourage kita ke we do vichar of Gurbani, how will you know that you are progressing? There is a growth. Is there any way? Ask yourself, is there any way to measure myself? How will I measure it? So the day we recognize oneness, simply we can't see any other. दूजा कोई दिखना ही नहीं तानू. Who would you feel jealous with on that day if you have progressed? ईर्खा किदे नाल होगी? गुस्सा किदे नाल करोगे? Who will you feel angry with? If there is a jyot of Vaheguru in everyone, will you be angry with Vaheguru? ਇਹ ਵੀ ਨਾਲ ਖਿਆਲ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਵੀ ਉਹੀ ਜੋਤ ਹੈ. It's not only about others. We come in that creation as well. So अपने नाल भी गुस्सा ਅਸੀਂ बहुत करते हैं. Actually, sometimes these days we are more angry with our own selves. We are guilty, we are ashamed, there are regrets, there is less self-worth. All of you are worth millions. You got the Manukha Dehi, a so precious time to evolve, to grow, and be like Vaheguruji. Only you can do that. So the day you feel that, you know what, things are hard, life is hard, but I'm less angry. Because life तो होते रहनी है, life is going to throw the same challenges all the time. Who will you compete with? किदियां लत्तां खिच्चोगे थल्ले नूं? There is no other. So these are just a few things I'm throwing, that how would you measure yourself? You might have different parameters. You might have right now thought about something कि look आ चीज़ मैनू duality दिंदी है, दूजा भाव दिंदी है, when I am jealous or angry or something else. Actually, I'm going to work on that and see how is that changing. How can I measure that? Is that making sense? Can we measure it, do you think? Is it a measurable thing? Good, nahi? What do you think? Yeah? Yes, no? क्योंकि it's not about कि कोई इत्थे आया lecture करके चला गया. It's much, much more than that. When we come here and listen to Bani as well, the idea is that hits it. Straight away we get it. And then, yeah, that's the message for me. I'm going to work on it. Because I'm going to say it. Many years we come to the Gurdwara, we listen to hours of Kirtan and Katha and many things. But then we go home and we are still sade sometimes. It's hard to use the language on the stage, but this is the language we use at homes, है ना? फिर आपको पता होना चाहिए कि Guru Nanak Sahib ने सानू धर्मशाला दित्ती सीगी. He blessed us with a dharamshala where Sangat used to come, listen to the Kirtan, and then they used to ask Maharaj, Marge, this is the challenge I am facing in my life. How do I get through this phase with the support of Guru Bani? Everything is in Gurbani. Everything. Only if we do vichar, if we understand that, if we challenge ourselves, and not only the ritual, we come and listen and we eat and we go home and job done. If you feel peaceful, and if your life is progressing that way, वो ठीक है फिर, मुबारक है. But if you feel that life is, just standing there, there is no growth, then we need to look again and maybe change the way we do stuff. ठीक है ना? So that's what we're trying to say here. How will you measure it? So let's very, very quickly go into the journey of Ek Onkar. How? And we will look at the 8 steps. And these are the 8 steps you all know. You all know. Nothing, nothing new, nothing kind of that I have created. Another question hega. 8 steps that you probably, all of you, read every day. You can say 8 steps, 8 virtues, 8 gun. And we are not going to go into the details because even each gun will take whole day to explain and to dive within into it. We'll just touch the surface and create that curiosity for you to now go and research. ठीक है? आप सिर्फ थोड़ा-थोड़ा उसके बारे में गाल करोगे. So the journey is become like one. So we will start. So first one means Gur Prasad. ये पहली पौड़ी हैगी. पहला step हैगा Gur Prasad. And this is, what is Gur Prasad? So what comes to your mind when I say Gur Prasad? Is there any कोई literal meaning आंदा होगा, कोई word आंदा होगा, or a state might come in front of you? What does Gur Prasad means to you? Just ask yourself. Is it a magic? We call it kirpa, no? Pa कहना है इतने kirpa होगी. And you know what? Another thing, we normally relate it with materialistic things. इन्हें बड़ा घर मिल गया, इतने बहुत kirpa होगी. He got a good job, you know what? He got a Aston Martin. Definitely Gur Prasad, kirpa hogi. We relate it to that most of the time. And then we say Anand aa gaya. Aj prashada bada swad si, Anand aa gaya. Jalebiyan bhi badiyan si, bada Anand aaya. Right? ये साडा आनंद बन गया है. Now let's ask Guru Sahib कि आनंद की हैगा. ठीक है? तुसी ये रोज पढ़दे हो. आनंद आनंद सब को कहे आनंद गुरु ते जानिया. जानिया आनंद सदा गुर ते कृपा करे प्यारिया. कर कृपा किलविख कट्टे ज्ञान अंजन सारिया. अंदरों जिनका मोह टुटा तिनका सबद सच्चा सवारिया. कहे नानक ए आनंद है आनंद गुरु ते जानिया. ਹੁਣ if we just very quickly reflect on this, ਇੱਥੇ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ? ਇੱਥੇ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਨੂੰ ਡਿਫਾਈਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਨਾ ਇਸ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. ਕਰ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਿਲ ਵਿਖ ਕੱਟੇ. ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕੱਟੇ? ਕਿਲ ਵਿਖ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਹਾਂ, like anything that's basically is creating a problem in my life. It could be, people call it sins, paap, anything that's basically boiling me. ਕਰ ਕਿਰਪਾ किलविख कट्टे. किरपा करके किलविख कट दिते. किदां? अगे दसिया ज्ञान अंजन सारिया. ज्ञान समझदे आप सारे? सो जिहड़ी गुरु साहब दी दित्ती हुई विजडम, राइट, वो जिहड़ी स्पिरिचुअल विजडम है ना, वो जदों असी when we adopted that in our life, that's the time we can say we have been blessed with kirpa. That's the Gur Prasad. Now, whenever we come to Gurdwara Sahib or at home or walking on the street, you have that kirpa available to you. How is that available to you? Can anybody tell me what comes to your mind? Is that available to you or not? Oh, kirpa. What do you think? Do you think that spiritual wisdom, that Gyan Anjan, that kirpa is available to you throughout har ek swas de naal? Yes or no? Yes. In what form? Love and compassion. Where did you get the love and compassion from? कित्थों मिले सानू वो गुण? You're right. ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਮਿਲਿਓ ਗੁਣ? ਕੌਣ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਦਇਆ 'ਚ ਜਿਓ? ਦਇਆ, ਕਪਾ, ਸੰਤੋਖ, ਸੂਤ, ਜਤ, ਗੰਢੀ, ਸੱਤ ਵਟ, ਕੌਣ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ? ਗੁਰੂ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ. ਸੋ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ? ਹਾਊ ਡੂ ਵੀ ਟਾਕ ਟੂ ਗੁਰੂ ਐਵਰੀ ਡੇ? ਥਰੂ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ, ਰਾਈਟ? Is Gurbani available to you 24/7? Yes? So that's what we mean. That's Gyan Anjan. एक ज्ञान है. It's up to us, we take it or not, but it's available. And those who take that Gyan Anjan, they are in Guru Prasad. So what you take from here today, from Guru Maharaj, you got the Gyan. And that is Guru Prasad. Oh, Kirpa hogi. पर मैजिकली नहीं हुई. तुसी आए, एफर्ट किया, you made an effort to come to Marji's charan, and then sometimes we come here as well, but we're not prepared to listen to hear anything, right? Because we're so busy socializing, which is part of it. It's all good to have chips and everything is all good, but then this is the real thing, and that's what the first step is. Gyan Anjan, jitho kirpa honi hai, anand aana hai, and that is Gur Prasad. And this is the ਪਹਿਲੀ ਪੌੜੀ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, the first step. Okay, then we move to Saibang. So imagine there is that one step, the lower step, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? ਆਪਾਂ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਨਾ, ਇੱਕ ਓਂਕਾਰ ਵੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? From Guru Prasad, now we come to Saibang. So normally when we go to the literal translation of Saibang, what comes to your mind? Independent, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ. So in simple words we can say independent, self-sustained, who is not dependent on anybody else. Now, so what of it? So when I speak to you about Guru Prasad, when I speak to you about this Gona of Akal Purakh, who is Saibang, so what? Because what we're discussing is to reach the divine within, right? ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ we have this quality of being Saibang within ourselves. But so what? So what if Parmeshwar is Saibang? So what? How can I be Saibang then? Because ਰੱਬ ਨੂੰ ਖੋਜਣ ਦਾ ਮਾਰਗ ਰੱਬ ਹੋਣ ਦਾ ਮਾਰਗ ਹੈ. ਰੱਬ ਨੂੰ ਖੋਜਣ ਦਾ ਮਾਰਗ ਰੱਬ ਹੋਣ ਦਾ ਮਾਰਗ ਹੈ. So how can we become Saibang? Can we? So again, this is just my humble views here, but you need to find how it applies to you. So if we become self-sustained, then we will not earn from unethical means. So for example, how does it, okay, jab India di gal kariye, India we can talk about, look, you pay that you get salary might be 20,000 a month, but what you bring home is 30,000 per month. How? You might not have given wages, enough wages to somebody. ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ. I'm just saying, those who do that kind of stuff. It could be bribery. It could be ਘੱਟ ਤੋਲਣਾ, ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਦੇਣਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸੀ, ਉਹਨੇ ਪੈਸਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਘੱਟ ਦੇ ਦਿੱਤਾ. It stayed more on my side. All of that is unethical, right? ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੱਕ ਪਰਾਇਆ ਨਾਨਕਾ ਉਸ ਸੂਰ ਉਸ ਗਾਏ, ਉਹ ਪਰਾਇਆ ਹੱਕ ਹੈ. That belongs to somebody else. How does that apply to this country? Anything comes to mind? How about benefits? Are benefits wrong? Not necessarily those who need it, but those who lie about it, ਝੂਠ ਬੋਲ ਕੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹੀ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਲੈ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਉਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਣਾ ਸੀ, ਉਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਦਾ ਹੱਕ ਹੈ. It's somebody else's right. If we are bringing that home, then that's hak paraya. That's not Saibang. That's not self-sustained. We are dependent on somebody else. It's unethical. ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਵੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੱਥੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਮਾ ਕੇ ਤੇ ਦੂਸਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੰਡੀਏ. ਕਿਰਤ ਵਿਰਤ ਕਰ ਧਰਮ ਦੀ ਹੱਥੋਂ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਭਲਾ ਮਨਾਏ. ਇੱਥੇ ਨਾ ਇੱਕ ਸਾਖੀ ਯਾਦ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਮੈਨੂੰ. ਦੇ ਯੂਜ਼ਡ ਟੂ ਬੀ ਵਨ ਕੀਰਤਨੀਏ ਐਟ ਦਰਬਾਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ, who was Nishkam Kirtaniya the whole life, right from their late childhood to their last breath. They spent their entire life in doing Nishkam Kirtan at Darbar Sahib, Amritsar. ਐਂਡ ਦੇਰ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਹੋਲ ਬੁੱਕ ਸੰਤ ਗਾਥਾ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਵੀ ਲਿਓ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਸੰਤ ਗਾਥਾ ਵਿੱਚ, ਭਾਈ ਵੀਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ I think have written about it, that how their routine starts from very very early morning, and from one chonki to another chonki, and kirtan and kirtan and kirtan, and not only that, and then they also used to carry ramba ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ English to some, you know, something that you can scrape, like snow scrape ਕਰਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ, they used to carry that in their backpack, a little thalla and a little brush, a dustpan as well. ਉਹ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਕੀਰਤਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਨਿਕਲਦੇ ਸੀ ਬਾਹਰ, if they see anything lying on the floor, or sometimes a bird's poo and stuff like that, they can scrape it and clean it. Seva and the humility side of it as well. Not that I'm a kirtaniya, my kapde will get dirty or something and I don't need to do seva. Immense humility along with the kirtan seva as well. So the kirtaniye, ਇਹ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ, there is a comparison again, ਕਿ ਕੀਰਤਨੀਆ ਗੁਰੂ ਘਰ ਦਾ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਨਿਮਰਤਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. And there's a lot of things written about him, but one thing I want to share is, once they were walking from Darbar Sahib to their little residence, and those who have visited Amritsar, they're very very patliyan patliyan galiyan ne utthe na uthon, and on their way to their little cottage, which was their residence, ਉੱਥੇ ਉਹ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਆ ਕੋਈ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ homeless people ਹੁੰਦੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਨਾ, so there's somebody standing there, a beggar there, and it's winter months, it's like very very cold like today, ਬਹੁਤ ਠੰਡ ਹੈ ਬਾਹਰ, and he's shivering standing there. ਉਹਦੇ ਵੱਲ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਆ, and then they don't do anything, they get back home, ਪਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਕ ਸੇਵਾਦਾਰ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਸੰਤ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਕੀਰਤਨੀਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, and he says to them, take this blanket and give it to that man who was standing there. And the sevak, the sathi says, Hanji Sat Bachan ji, I'll take this blanket. And then he takes this blanket and go and give it to this person who was standing there in cold, obviously waiting for some money or food or clothes. And then he gives to them and come back. And then this Kirtaniya Bhai Sahib, he asks, have you given the blanket? And he says, Hanji, yes. Did you say thank you? And he's just like taken back by that. I gave the blanket, right? Why do I need to say thank you? I gave it. Shouldn't he be saying thank you? Because we are the givers. He's the taker. And then Sant Ji says, he says, tu kambal bhi gwa liya, kuch khatya bhi nahi. You have just wasted my kambal away. You know, what's the point? And he's very, very confused. Very confused. And then फिर वो समझाते ने, then he explains it, what he means. He says, whenever we give, we should never have this feeling that we are the one who is giving. You know this terminology that we use as well, donate. Again, I'm going to throw it out, and it's you take it the way you want to take it. We donate it to the people who are needy. We feel that I am the giver, I'm the donor. And I am the one who is giving, donation. Do you ever, when you share things with your brother, sister, in your family, do you ever say, I'm donating? Why not? Panth nu assi kehne donate kar do. You can contribute, right? But donate, the whole word, daan, matlab data, daan, right? We are not the date, we are not the donors. ਜੇ ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਭੈਣ ਭਰਾ ਨੇ, ਬਾਕੀ ਪੰਥ ਭੈਣ ਭਰਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ, because we are donating, right? So I just thought I'll throw that here, कि donation, how does that sit right with our panthic values when we're talking about ek onkar? So then he explains, he said, tu mera kambal bhi waste karta, because you should be thankful to this person who gave you this beautiful opportunity to do seva. Because of him, you were able to do some seva today. That's why you should have, when you gave him the blanket, you should have said thank you to him. Thank you. There's Guru Nanak in him, there's Guru Nanak in you, and you are saying thank you to Guru Nanak to give you that opportunity, that thank you Maharaj, you gave me this opportunity to do seva. Because there's no other. Remember, ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਵੀ ਉਹੀ ਰੱਬ ਦੀ ਜੋਤ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਕੋਈ ਭਿਖਾਰੀ ਥੋੜੀ ਹੈ, ਦਾਤਾ ਤਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਹੀ ਹੈਗਾ, we are all beggars. ਉਹਦੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਦੇ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਨਾ. Yeah, and if we ever get this opportunity as well, we should feel blessed that it's happening through us. How blessed we are. We are not donating, We are not the date. We are just being used. We are the facilitators. So Sabang, becoming that self-sustained in life, whatever it may be. If you go to a school or college, don't depend on others to help you in homework. There's nothing wrong in learning from them, but not that they get it done for you. Keep learning, keep growing, but become so self-sustained that you're able to help others as well. And that happens at our workplace as well, colleagues, on a street, wherever. So, as I said, I'm only going to touch the surface. So moving on to a Junni. So what if Waheguru is a Junni? Can we be a Junni? That might be a bit difficult one. Can we be a Junni? What does a Junni means, first of all? What does a Junni means to you? So June means like the different forms, and a Junni is without different life forms, right? In simple words. So the one who doesn't go in June, Junna de vich jehda nahi janda, oh kaun ban gaya? A Junni. So what if Rabji is a Junni? How does that apply to us then? Can we be a Junni? Can we? Do you think? But these are the Atgun. Remember, we are looking into it so that we can apply in our life. So can we be a Junni? Yes or no? Yes, okay, I'll get you later how. But yeah, it's very interesting, isn't it? How do we become a Junni? So I'll just share quickly here. Maharaj कहते करतूत पशु की मानस जात लोग पचारा करे दिन रात है ना करतूत पशु की करतूत मतलब काम my actions are like पशु की होगा like animals करतूत पशु की मानस जात okay, so if my actions are in a certain way, what will people identify me as? With my actions or with my name or with my just shakal? It's the actions, right? People identify you as per based on your actions. This person is very sweet spoken. This person is very rude. This person is very compassionate. This person is very, very helpful. This person is both khushkai, both thanda hai. You know, that kind of stuff. They might forget your name. They might even met you once and never meet you again. But they will remember you with how you acted. So Maharaj ne clear kar dita, kartoot pasu ki manas jaat. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਬੋਡੀ 'ਚ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੋ ਪਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ ਕਰਤੂਤਾਂ ਕਿਹਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਪਸ਼ੂ ਵਰਗੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਐਂਡ ਦੇ ਸੋ ਮਚ ਬਾਣੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਟਾਕਸ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਇਟ ਬਟ ਆਲ ਜਸਟ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਵਨ ਹੇਅਰ ਗੁਰਮੰਤਰਹੀਨਸ ਜੋ ਪ੍ਰਾਣੀ ਤ੍ਰਿਗਯੰਤ ਜਨਮ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਟ ਨੈ ਕੁਕਰੈ ਸੁਕਰੈ ਗਰਦ ਬੈ ਕਾਕੇ ਸਰਪ ਨੈ ਤਲਖ ਲੈ ਇਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਵੀ ਲਓ ਇਹਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਲਾਈਡ ਆ ਗਈ ਹੋਣੀ ਹੈ what is it if we are without Guru Mantra, basically, if we are without what the wisdom, that Gyananjan that Maharaj has given us, and if we are not acting and living like a Manas Jat, then actually all of this is what? Us. ये तोड़े सामने लिखा है ना? कुत्ता कह लो, सूर कह लो, dog, pig, सारा कुछ लिखा है. ऐसी इन्हां नू जून कहने होता. यही कहने ना? इन्हां नू जून कहने होता. But what is the Junni? How are we living our life? And so many panktiyan which reminds us again and again that actually who we are, where are we going towards? How many times we change that June in one day? How many times we become like, if we are really bad in our speech, then people say don't bark. People say to us, don't they? And मैं पंजाबी च नहीं कहना हुण that will look very very rude. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪੇ ਕਰ ਲਓ translate. But people say don't bark. ਕਿਉਂ? ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਕੁੱਤੇ ਦੀ ਜੂਨ 'ਚ ਹੈਗੇ ਹਾਂ. We are acting like a dog, right? So coming back to my original point, is it possible to become a Junni? Maharaj ji कहते हैं ना, let's just sing that. I think let's bring that vibe here, and then see that what that means to us. How does it apply to us? मैं मूर्ख की के तक बात है मैं कोट पराली गुरु नानक जिन सुनिया पेखिया गुरु नानक से फिर गरबास ना परिया रे ना परिया रे धन गुरु नानक 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 मैं मूर्ख की केतक बात है कोट परादी तरियारे गुरु नानक जिन सुनिया पेखिया से फिर करवास ना परियारे. So Gurbani is clearly giving us this blessed vision कि जिन्हें गुरु नानक नू देख लिया, देखा means who had the darshan ते सुन लिया, गुरु नानक जिन सुनिया पेखिया से फिर गरबास ना परिया रे. So how do we hear and see Guru Nanak today? Can we? हाँ, गुरु दे शब्द राही. पर if we really and truly hear and if we really and truly see Guru Nanak, then ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਫਿਰ ਗਰਬਾਸ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਗਰਭ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਣਾ, ਉਹੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਗਰਬਾਸ. ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਰਬਾਸ 'ਚ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ. But we need to have this bharosa and work on it as well. And this might not sit right with you today because it's a completely different concept. But this is it, right? So ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਾ. But if you have given me this same opportunity, then I can only share from what Marj has blessed me with. No? So that was about the next step. Remember, we're going up the steps, right? So Saibang, Ajuni. So moving on to Akal Murat. Akal Murat, ਅਸੀਂ literal translation ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਅਕਾਲ. ਕਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਰਹਿਤ ਮਤਲਬ undying, ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਮਰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ, without death. So again, the same question comes, then how many times we die and reborn every day? So now the question is, you will think or you will ask, what do you mean by every day? How many times we die? Right? ਇੱਥੇ ਆਤਮਿਕ ਡੈਥ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੌਤ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਰੋਜ਼ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਵਾਰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. Again, living with that gun, that virtues keep us alive. When we forget, we die. Akkha jiva visra mar jao. How many times we visar every day? ਕਿੰਨੂੰ ਵਿਸਾਰਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ? ਇਹੀ ਗੁਣਾਂ ਨੂੰ, ਉਹੀ presence ਨੂੰ, ਉਹੀ ਹਜ਼ੂਰੀ ਨੂੰ. So when we are in the Sadh Sangat, thankfully we feel that hazuri, that Maharaj Ang Sang ne. When we leave the Sadh Sangat, where does the hazuri goes? Do we die then? ਜਦੋਂ ਕਹਿਤਾ ਔਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਜੀ ਪਏ, and you quite in anand, ਹੈ ਨਾ, when you come to Sadh Sangat. ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਚੰਗਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਨਾ, you feel at peace, you feel grounded, you feel a bit relaxed, hopefully. And then when you go out, ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਉੱਥੇ ਤਾਂ ਠੀਕ ਸੀ, ਘਰ ਆ ਕੇ ਉਹੀ ਚੱਕਰ ਪੈ ਗਏ. Because ਉੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਵਿਸਰ ਗਏ, we have forgotten. And then what happens when we forget? We die. I'm not saying it, Maharaj says it. Akkha जीवा विसरै मर जाऊं. If somebody says something to you right now which you don't like, what's going to happen? ਇੱਥੇ ਕੁਝ ਪੀੜ ਜੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, straight away you feel ਮੇਰਾ ਸਿਰ ਦੁਖਣ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ, I'm gonna go home, I need a cup of tea. Something is not nice. ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਚੰਗੇ ਭਲੇ ਹੈਲਦੀ ਬੈਠੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ, ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਮਾੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਕੁਝ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੱਤਾ, we take things so personally. We feel the whole world is thinking about us. ਕਿਸੇ ਕੋਲ ਟਾਈਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ to think about us. That's the reality. But just by thinking, the whole world is thinking about me. What should I wear? What should I eat? Where do I go, where I not go? We are so concerned about what people think about us that we are killing ourselves in fulfilling their expectations. And guess what? उन्होंने ने कभी खुश नहीं होना. You can never please everybody in this world. But the problem is, by the time you understand this, more than half of life is gone in fulfilling their expectations. Even strangers, what will people say on the street if I do this or do that? एक सोसाइटी का लिहाज होना चंगी गल है, पर not to completely drown yourself in that. We are not here to become people pleasers. Think about Guru Nanak Sahib again. Who did he please? वो कहते बाबर ਨੂੰ ਜਾਬਰ ਕਹੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ. He challenged the toppest, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਦਾ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਰਾਜਾ ਕਹਿ ਲਓ. It's like you go to Trump today or to Narendra Modi today and ਉਹਦੇ ਮੂੰਹ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਕਹੋ ਤੂੰ ਜਾਬਰ ਹੈ. Marge said that. उन्होंने ये नहीं सोचा. So think from that angle of Marge's personality as well. कि how can we live with those Devi gun, those divine virtues that we have the daya, we have the compassion, that ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੀ ਸਕੀਏ. And that is when we will arrive to that stage of being Akal Murat, then when we don't die anymore. So if you can take one thing from here, let's stop getting into that atmic death just because of people in our life all the time. One time we are like in a bliss state, something happens, next moment we are deep down, we are in depression, we feel anxiety, we are stressful. I know there are certain things we can't avoid, but wherever you can help yourself, please do so. This health, this life is very, very precious. Very, very precious. And sometimes we don't allow ourselves to ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਜੀਣ ਦੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਜਾਜ਼ਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੰਦੇ. Why? Because people have made our life so difficult. Who have given these people the control? We have. Take that control back. It's in your hands. ਅਗਲਾ ਸਟੈਪ ਤੇ ਚੱਲੀਏ ਅਸੀਂ, conscious of time. Nirvair. Nirvair, massive concept. Without vair, without any hatred. बिसर गई सब तात पराई, जब ते साध संगत मोहे पाई. There is no other. Remember, we are leading to that steps. Are you with me? We are leading to that steps. Nirvair. There is no vair. There is no one is my enemy anymore. Yes, people might have done something which you don't like, but it's your choice whether you want to keep lingering and ruminating about those things, or you just want to forgive them and go on. Forgiveness, you're not saying that you kind of say that what people did is right. But you have a choice to keep going in your life. And again, what we just discussed, can we behave the way we behave in Sadh Sangat? When we come to the Sadh Sangat, when we serve prasad, it's given equally, right, to everybody. You don't see this, my friend, and I'm going to double the gaffa, another person less, hopefully not. Or I'm going to give to that person first and the other people have to wait. We do Jodyan di seva, right? We clean the shoes. You don't look for your friend's shoes there. Or the other people who you don't like, you put their shoes away. You serve the prashada in the langar. At the prashada tusi serve kar do. Even when you're making it, you don't think ki onne aage khana main taan banana. It's very nirvairta. Te koi vair nahi hega. But when we leave again the Gurdwara Sahib, we want to take this nirvairta with us wherever we go. There is no other. There is no discrimination. And if we can behave in such a way, then again we will be able to manifest that nirvairta in our life. Moving on to Nirpau, the next step. Nirpau simply means that we are in the state of sovereignty. We are free. We are liberated. Jif dari nahi hega. If I say to you for next 5 seconds become fearless, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਡਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਇਸ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, nothing to worry about, nothing to be fearful about, you're protected. How does that make you feel? Yeah, relieved, I guess. Very liberated, very free, isn't it? क्योंकि कोई चक्कर ही नहीं हैगा, डर है ही नहीं. But Maharaj has given us that nirpau quality, the गुण of nirpau. भाई मत कोई जानो किसी का किछ हाथ है, सब करे कराया, जरा मरा ताप सिरत सब हर के वस है, कोई लाग ना सकै बिन हर का लाया. कहते इदा ना सोचो कोई कुछ तुहानू कर दूगा. We have this a lot as well in our circles. Somebody has done something to me. I feel I'm really afraid for this and that. इस चीज़ तो मैंने बड़ा डर लगता. अंदरों भी ते बाहरों भी. एक बाहर दा डर होंदा ना, भूत प्रेत. एक अंदर दा भी डर बैठा होया साडे अंदर. इन्हें आ कर दिता या इदा ना हो जाए. That fikr, constantly thinking about what if, what's going to happen tomorrow, and we leave the moment right now. So Maharaj ने सानू completely nirpau कर दिता, that live your life freely and see how you feel, how you become that sovereign being. And again, not going into too much details, but simply nirpau जपै सगल पौ मिटै. जे ਉਹਨੂੰ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਪ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਰੋਜ਼, ਉਹਦੀ ਯਾਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੈਠੇ ਹਾਂ, ਫਿਰ ਕਾਹਦਾ ਡਰ ਹੈ? Can we surrender our life to that nirpau? ਨਿਰਭਉ ਜਪੈ ਸਗਲ ਪੌ ਮਿਟੈ. ਸਾਰੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਡਰ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਦੂਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੇ. Next step, Karta Purakh. So this is the Karta Purakh who created us all and manifests through us. ਉਹ ਕਰਤਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਰਹਿ ਕੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਥਰੂ ਹੀ ਪ੍ਰਗਟ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ. That oneness again. How can we become Karta Purakh? Can we? So some of you, somebody was optician right here. So ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ society ਨੂੰ. One of you could be doctor, teacher, engineer, housewife, anything. You're giving something to this life rather than just taking everything, right? So you might say, I'm nothing. I have no skill. What do I give? I'm not doctor. I'm not engineer. What do I create? Somebody created a bulb for us. We have electricity. Somebody created that. They become that creative beings. We all have one thing that we can share. And that's pyar. That's love. People won't remember how good doctor you were, engineer you were, but they will remember how you spoke to them. ਇੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ ਸੰਗਤ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਹੋ ਨਾ, you will be remembered ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਨਾਲ ਬੋਲੇ ਸੀਗੇ. And equally if you were rude as well, they will remember that as well. If you can't give anything, actually change of statement. Give whatever you want to give, but the most important thing is to give that pyar, to give that love. ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈਗਾ. And start from your own homes. ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ, ਆਪਣੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਡਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ, ਆਪਣੇ ਛੋਟਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ. If we really want to live that quality, that gun of Karta Purakh, then start today from giving that love. Moving on to Satnam, Sach, truth. It's simple. If your every thought, your action is coming from the place of Sach, then we are living that gun, Satnam in our life. ਸਿਰਫ ਇੰਨਾ ਹੀ ਕਹਿ ਕੇ ਕਿ ਉਹਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਸੱਚਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਦੀ. ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਮ ਤੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਣੇ ਆ. What is my life? And my thoughts, actions coming from Sach? And this is a big thing, by the way. It's very easy to say that. What am I thinking? Is it coming out of compassion? Is it coming out of like undivided attention? कोई discrimination ना होए. If it's ethical, think from that. And once we've gone through all the steps, we come to the step of reaching that point where we become like एक ओंकार. ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਪੌੜੀਆਂ ਚੜ੍ਹ ਕੇ, this is a process Maharaj has given us. And especially when we are celebrating Prakash Purab and also thinking of how do we connect with the divine within, these are the steps given to us right from the beginning. That there is no division, there is no other, there is no duality. And just imagine yourself using this Ek Onkar concept itself every day in your life. Just imagine. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੇਖੋ and see how your life changes. ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ changed me. there's a complete shift in my life. Gurbani changed me. And this is how Gurbani changed Bhai Mardana ji as well. So Bhai Mardana ji asked for something. So when Jaro Anand Karaj sige na, Guru Nanak Sahib de, Bhai Mardana ji said, "This is a special day. I need, give me something. You know, where is my present?" And Maharaj laughed. And they, you've been blessed with the beautiful gift of Kirtan. Aur tus tanu ki chahiye? Bhai Mardana ji, for us really, all this Choj that they played, all these games that they played for us so that we can learn. Bhai Mardana ji says, "Nahi nahi, aaj khas din haiga. I need something." And then Dhan Guru Nanak Sache Pasha ji says, "Okay, tu chola le la. Take my chola. Take my robe." And this is very, and Bhai Mardana ji is very happy to take that robe, take that chola. Par naal Maharaj kuch kende bhi hai. Guru Nanak Sache Pasha ji says, "Mardanya, नानक दा चोला पाके नानक वर्गे काम करना है." So when you wear my chola, you need to act like Nanak. If you wear the robe of Nanak, you act like Nanak. Simple as that. Now, again, a moment of reflection for us. What are our actions? Are we wearing the chola of Nanak, first of all? The fact that we call ourselves Sikhs and we want to be Guru Nanak the Sikh, I hope that we are wearing Guru Nanak's chola. And if we are wearing Guru Nanak's chola, am I acting like Nanak? Yeah. So, Nanak doesn't see anybody differently. Nanak ji ne to kisi nu judge bhi nahi kita. Even when they went to Kauda Rakesh, they never called Kauda Rakesh back, but they gave them so much love. And strategy de naal, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰਚਾਰਕ ਬਣਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ. When you're living yourself, you're acting like Guru Nanak Sahib, you become a pracharak because your life is role model to others. Not necessarily sit on the stage and do a speech or kirtan. Wherever you will go, you will radiate. You will radiate the virtues of Guru Nanak Sahib in your life very naturally. So, are we acting like a Omkar? Are we acting out of compassion? ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਫ਼ਜ਼ਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇ ਲਫ਼ਜ਼ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਐਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਵਰਗੀ ਦਇਆ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ? ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਵਰਗਾ ਫੀਅਰਲੈਸ, ਕੋਈ ਡਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ, ਕੋਈ ਵੈਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, constantly being creative, right? So just a question for us really, that are we living like Nanak in our life today? Yeah, we'll stop there. We have 20 minutes. We'll sit down and remember through Barney and just sing praises of Maharaj as well. But if you have any questions or anything, is that later on after Kirtan, or do you want to take it now? If there are any questions from Sangat, Pulla Chukandi Maafi ji, we hope that we can take something from this, and that basically takes us one step closer to Guru Nanak Sahib, and within really, that everything is given to us. We just need to work on it and feel, okay, look, how am I growing on my journey towards my Guru as well.
Thank you. We're just giving papers out if anybody's got any questions. So
ठीक है.
हाँ
जी ठीक है. So shall we start Kirtan then? Okay, ठीक है. Fine. So ਜਿਹੜੇ stage ਤੇ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਗਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ ਨਾਲ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆ ਜਾਓ. We'll sing together. It's only 10-15 minutes, so that we can kind of feel that vibe as well. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ 'ਚ ਫੀਲ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਸਕੀਏ. ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ, ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ, ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ, ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ, साजनड़ा मेरा साजनड़ा 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 निकट खलोएड़ा निकट खड़ा हर साजन सब कै निकट खड़ा साजनड़ा मेरा साजनड़ा साजनड़ा निकट खलोएड़ा मेरा साजनड़ा निकट खलोएड़ा मेरा साजनड़ा निकट खलोएड़ा मेरा साजनड़ा मेरा साजनड़ा मेरा साजनड़ा मेरा साजनड़ा मेरा साजनड़ा मेरा साजनड़ा निकट खलोड़ा मेरा साजनड़ा निकट खलोड़ा निकट खलोड़ा मेरा साजनड़ा निकट खलोड़ा मेरा साजनड़ा मेरा साजनड़ा मेरा साजनड़ा मेरा एक ओंकार 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 सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद एक ओंकार सतनाम Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru. साजनड़ा मेरा साजनड़ा निकट खलोड़ा मेरा साजनड़ा निकट खलोड़ा मेरा साजनड़ा साजनड़ा So if there are any questions, let us know. If not, then we'll do an answer. So ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਸਵਾਲ ਹੈਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. And also we definitely made lots of mistakes ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਭੁੱਲਾਂ ਹੋਈ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਬਾਣੀ ਦੀ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਕਰਨੀ. Do forgive us for that. Don't take that home. Take what you need home. Definitely leave that here. So there are a few questions. We'll look into that quickly. Question हैगा death बारे. What's the message from our Guruji regarding death? So the whole process is written in Rahat Maryada. If you're interested in that side of it, ashes nu ki karna hai, ya what's the process and that kind of stuff. So please go and explore. Jada apni Rahat Maryada Sikhan hai code of conduct is available freely on internet and in the booklet form as well. But I just want to say something here that we are very much focused on sometimes the death, but not this moment. So our interest is more about in the next life. But what's about this time? Is जैसे समय ਨੂੰ संभाल लिया ना. If we look after this time properly, then we don't need to worry about death. कि ਹੁਣ संभाल लिया फिर डर कादा हैगा ना. Let's not die every day. But I think this question is more about the rituals around it, maybe because an example to like funeral ashes and stuff. I think it will be helpful if you go and read out the document. It's clearly available, clearly laid down and available in Punjabi and English as well. Agreed on taking Guru Sahib Ji's example, but what if one stumbles? How to strengthen? Sorry, I can't read the handwriting. How to strengthen the? ये मतलब कि जे ऐसी डोल जाने हैं. अच्छा ठीक है. So भाई That's all of us basically. The question जिन्ने भी भेजा, thank you to you, but that's all of us. ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਡੋਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ, we all stumble, but that's why we have that ਨਿਕਟ ਖਲੋਇੜਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਸਾਜਨੜਾ. Marriage never leaves us, very close to us. Go back to your guru. The stumble means ਵਿਸਰਿਆ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਅਸੀਂ ਵਿਸਰ ਗਏ. ਫਿਰ ਜੀ ਪੈਣਾ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਜੀਵਾਂ. ਉਹ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੋਏਗਾ? By going back to a Guru Sahib, taking that inspiration, coming to a Sangat which inspires you, which motivates you. Choose your Sangat very carefully, very carefully. Who uplifts me? Who puts me down? If that means you have to cut few people in from your life, cut it. ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਲਾਈਫ ਬਹੁਤ ਛੋਟੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ. ਉਹ ਚੂਜ਼ ਕਰੋ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜੋੜਦੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਚੱਕਦੀ ਹੈ, ਪਰਮੇਸ਼ਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੋਰ ਜੋੜਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨੀ when we stumble is that give up, because ਇਹ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਦਾ ਮਾਰਗ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ. ਸਿੱਖੀ is all about keep going even in the difficult. We have history full of ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ. ਇਹਦੇ ਬੰਦ ਵੀ ਕੱਟੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ. ਵੀਰ ਮੰਨੂ ਦੀ ਚੱਕੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਜੇਲ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਟੋਟੇ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਨਾ, ਗਲਾ 'ਚ ਹਾਰ ਪਵਾ ਤੇ ਉਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਬੀਬੀਆਂ ਇਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਦਿਨ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਲੰਘਿਆ, ਰਾਤ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਯਾਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੁਜ਼ਾਰਨੀ. ਇਹ ਮਤਲਬ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਿਖਾਈ ਹੈ. And I'm not in any way saying that look, don't look at the problems and be in chardhi kala, but not fake chardhi kala kind of thing. Only as he carry, don't mask up. Own up the issues, they're your issues, and work on them. You know, when we have little problem in the work, मान लो ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਈ problem ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਕੰਮ ਤੇ, we don't wait for somebody to come and resolve it. We take up the issue, okay, look, I'm not comfortable, I'm not happy, I need to do something about it. But when it comes to Sikhi, we leave for the magic to happen. Magic ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੋ. ਸਾਡੇ ਏਡੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਬੈਠੇ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਲਾਈਫ 'ਚ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡਾ ਮੈਜਿਕ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ? ਜਸਟ ਨੀਡ ਟੂ ਓਪਨ ਦ ਮੈਜਿਕ ਬਾਕਸ ਬੇਸਿਕਲੀ. ਔਰ ਸਿਰਫ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਨਾ ਹੋਈਏ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਕੀਤੇ, ਵਿਚ ਇਜ਼ ਮੁਬਾਰਕ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਕੀਤੇ ਰੁਮਾਲਿਆ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ. But let's start knowing who our Guru is. Even if we take one thing home, ਇੱਕ ਓਂਕਾਰ ਕੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, it's magical. It's magical when we work on it. So, ਇਹਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਮਤਲਬ, let's never give up. One step at a time, small baby steps, realistic steps, but keep working. ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਇਹ ਹੋਰ ਲੈ ਜਿਓ, ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ loves us all. ਇੱਦਾਂ ਨਾ ਹੋਏ ਕੋਈ ਕਹੇ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਫਲਾਣਾ I don't look like a Sikh, so ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ. Already explained, already discussed कि Gyan Anjan is a Guru Prasad, which is freely available, openly available to all of us if you choose to take it. So marriage is not discriminatory. I love you more, I don't love you because you are such and you are not such. ਉੱਥੇ discrimination ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ. What do you do if you do good deeds but others don't behave in an appropriate manner towards you? You have a choice to copy them or stay in your own path. Right? You have a choice. So ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ what do you do? So if ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਕਿਹਾ if they don't behave in an appropriate manner, would you want to become like them? Because if their actions are not appropriate to you, you wouldn't want to become like them, right? ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਰ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਪਿਆਰ ਨਾਲ ਅਚੀਵ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੀ. You can achieve anything and everything with love except one thing. ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ, and that one thing is ਜਿੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਗਲਤ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨਾ. If you're doing some wrong act, in that case you need force. ਉਦੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤਾਕਤ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਧੱਕਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, weapons ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਲਓ. Otherwise, everything in life could be achieved with the love. So if people are not behaving in appropriate manner, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਕਹੋ ਨਾ, ਮਨ ਤੂੰ ਜੋਤ ਸਰੂਪ ਹੈ ਆਪਣਾ ਮੂਲ ਪਛਾਣ. ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਪਛਾਣ ਕੇ we need to keep going on that, because actually even if you put it in a scientific manner, psychology way, we don't have a choice. If we start behaving like them, or if we start taking things very personally, it's only going to harm us. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅੱਗੇ inappropriate behave ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ, that's what they want, ਹੈ ਨਾ, to pull your triggers. If you're letting them to pull your triggers, then they will pull it even more. If it's not bothered, if you're not bothered, किन्ना कुछ चेर कोई करी जाओगा ना, it's gonna go back to them. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਕਹਾਵਤ ਸੁਣੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ, if you don't accept people's gifts, they stay with them. Similarly, if you don't accept their bad behavior, it stays with them. Because you're not taking it. As soon as you take it, it's going to harm you. So, eta hona hi hai. Do you think that if you are a good person, you're only going to meet good people around you? That's not the condition. Maharaj ne eta nahi kiya. You might be even challenged more. Why? Because people like you are needed more in this world. You might be put in the most challenging space, जिथे ज़्यादा कूड़ हैगा, जिथे ज़्यादा झूठ हैगा, जिथे ज़्यादा गंद हैगा, because your light is needed there. So be that light in people's life. Don't dim your light because of their darkness. That won't help anyone. ठीक है जी? I think that's the question, sir. जे किसी ने और पूछना कहते पूछ सकते हो, तो फिर आप समाप्ति करिए. I think time भी हो गया. Anybody has any other questions or should we समाप्ति?
Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. We would really encourage anyone that does have questions to come forward. I know we're sort of putting on the spot now, hands up kind of opportunity, but we've got Benji here, and we're all in Sangat with Guru Sahib here, so yeah, this is the time to really take those answers if anybody feels called to ask.
हाँ जी. They will answer that question. It's a very difficult question. Why did we do Diwan? Because we love Sangat, we love to see you. And when we sit down with you, we feel very happy. So, and the only way we could see you today is because of Diwan. Otherwise, we were not going to come to your house. And this is a beautiful place where we can come together and talk about Guru Maharaj's story, Guru Maharaj's life and Gurbani. So that's why we did Diwan, I think. But please feel free to add from your end. Why did we do Diwan? ठीक है जी. I think that's it. So we do an answer. किसी का नहीं answer? Okay, अच्छा. अंदर बजा. No, अंदर अच्छा चलो ठीक है.
रागतम परवार प्रिय शब्द का विनय शब्दों का बहरी गहरा मन जिन्हें विसार कहे नानक नाम धोआ शब्द गुरु में पाया ये मन मेरे यादों से डरो है ना रहो तू मन मेरे दुख सब विसारना अंगीकार करे तेरा कार्य सब सुहाना सपना गला सुमत स्वामी सौगे मनो विसार कहे नानक मन मेरे सदा रहो हर नाल साचे साहिबा क्या नहीं करते पिता तेरे सब कुछ है जिस तेरे से पावे सदा सत्सला तेरी नाम अनुसार नाम जपे मन वसिया वाची शब्द में कहे नानक साहिब क्या नहीं करते जो नाम मेरा आधार सच नाम है डालना जब बुका सब गवाया कर शांत सुख मनाया वसिया जिनिच्छा सब पुजाया सदा कुर्बान किता कुर बिटो जिसते आए उड़ान कहे नानक सदा संतोष बतूपे सच नाम है आधार मुझे पंचवचित का स्पागे शब्द वाचित कला चित करताया पांच दूत द्वास के तेगाल कटक मारिया दिल करण पाया तुझी को से नाम हट लग के नानक तैसे को तद्वाचित निस्मूट पाकिया सकल मनोरथ पूरे पार ब्रह्म पाया तेरे सकल विसूरे दुख रोग संताप तेरे सुनी सच्ची बानी संसार जुबे से पूरे गुरते जानी सुनते पुनीत कहते पवित्र संत गुरे अपन पूरे ब्रह्म नानक गुरजन लागे वाजे अनहद दूरे गुरु पानी पिता माता दर्द महाते दिवस रात दुई दाई दाया खेले सगले जगत मुरिया वाजे धर्म है दूरे कर्मी आपो अपनी के मेरे के दूर जिन्हें नाम त्याया गए मसकत काल ਨਾਨਕ ਤੇ ਮੁਖ ਉਜਲੇ ਕੀਤੀ ਛੁੱਟੀ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਮ ਤੇ ਆਇਆ ਗਏ ਮੁਸਕਤ ਕਾਲ ਨਾਨਕ ਤੇ ਮੁਖ ਉਜਲੇ ਕੀਤੀ ਛੁੱਟੀ ਨਾਲ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ